Hi, I am Annie Jane Pangasate and I am going to report research of style sheet for responsive design and for printing. So responsive design and printing styles. So it basically says here that responsive design in web development ensures that websites adapt to various device sizes, enhancing user experience, optimizing for search engines, and promoting cost efficiency. While printing styles contributes to professionalism and accessibility by creating print-friendly versions of web content, maintaining brand consistency across digital and print formats. But both aspects are crucial for providing a seamless and user-friendly web experience. How CSS can be utilized for these purposes? So CSS empowers web developers to implement responsive design through media queries, flexible layouts, relative units. But for print-friendly layouts, CSS offers the at media print feature, allowing developers to tailor styles specifically for printed output, control page breaks, and enhance the readability of printed documents. So, definition and importance of a responsive design. So, responsive design refers to the approach in web development to make certain dynamic adjustment to their layout to provide satisfactory user experience across various devices. Media queries in CSS. Media queries in CSS enable the adaptation of style based on device characteristics, allowing developers to create responsive designs for optimal user experience across different screens and resolutions. So here is an example implementation of a responsive design. So the body here is these are the default styles for all screen sizes. Well, here this section, this this is the start of a media query, and as you can see, the body here decreased to 14 pixels, and the background color changed into gray, a light gray, for a bit better contrast. Then to the next. So purpose of printing styles. So you have to know that it's essential to have specific styles for printing web pages to ensure optimal readability, minimize paper usage, and present a clean, well-formatted document without unnecessary on-screen elements, providing a professional and user-friendly printed output. So the media attribute in CSS. This attribute is used to define styles specifically tailored for printed documents. A style tag signals the enclosed styles, which should only be used when the document is being printed. This helps in producing a clean, well-formatted printed output while keeping on-screen styles unaffected. For better print readability, consider increasing font size for print to enhance readability on paper. Use light backgrounds for printed pages to conserve ink and improve contrast with dark text. Then limit the use of colors to ensure clarity and avoid issues with grayscale printing. Um, Hide on essential elements like navigation and footer for a cleaner and focused printed documents. Then lastly, ensure sufficient contrast between text and background for improved legibility in print. So here is some tips or best practices for responsive design. To end my report, here is the conclusion of everything that I just discussed. So this report highlighted the importance of CSS in web development, especially focusing on responsive design and printing styles. So I hope you gain some knowledge in my discussion. Thank you.
So, hi everyone, I am Genevieve C. Arak and I am going to discuss the advanced list in HTML. Now, what is list? A list is a record of short pieces of related information or used to display the data or any information on web pages in the ordered or unordered form. So, ang list, it is like kana bitang maglist tag mga task or maglist tag groceries. So that is an example of a list. Now, there are four types of list: the unordered list, the ordered list, the nested list, and the description list. So, ma-expound po natin or ma-discuss further through demonstration.
I am going to discuss demonstrate the advanced list. So nanatay list diri displayed list, the unordered list, ordered list, nested list, and description list. Now, we have to style it using the cascading style sheet. So nanakoy code diri but the thing is wala pa siya na-apply sa ato ang website. Dili pa siya mo-apply sa atong website. Now, what we're going to do is that we have to use the link at link tag to para ma-apply ma-read ang atong CSS. So, list.css. Now, save it and then refresh our website. Ayan, na-change na yung ating H2 and yung description term. Bakit yun lang sila yung na-change? Is because dito, ang description term, isa ra ang description term nga akong gigamit and the H2 here is na-modify na tanan. All the H2 is already modified. Tapos, pero ang uban wala pa. It is because nagamit man taog classes diri. And in order for this CSS style na ma-apply sa atong website, need na to tawagon atong style using class. So this class is for the unordered list. Now, we have to put that here, put class, and then unordered list. Now, save that, and then refresh this. So, ayun, na-change na yung list natin from this bullets kanina, naging square siya, and then its color naging red, and then yung font niya naging Kandara. Now, we can, if for example, gusto mo ng, yung bullet mo is gusto mo maging circles, you can change that into list style type, gawin mo siyang circle. Now, save that. Save and then refresh your website. Now, na-change na yung disk to circles. Na-change na yung bullet type natin. You can modify that based on kung ano yung nababagay sa list mo. Kung ano yung gusto mong design sa list mo. Now, in ordered list, we also have to call its class. Ilalagay natin siya dito. Class, ordered, and then save. Now, let's go to our website and then refresh it. Ayun, na-change na siya into blue color, and then yung font style niya and font size, and also yung bullet form niya. From 1, 2, 3, 4, naging A, B, C, and D. We can modify that. Halimbawa, ayaw mo ng upper Latin. I-change natin yan siya into decimal leading 0. So, kapag ka-save mo niyan, yung ABCD, ma-change yan into 01, 02, 03, and 04. Now, in nested list, we have a code here, outer list and inner list, para iba-iba yung style type ng bullet niya. Now, we have to also call its class. Lagay natin siya dito. Yung outer list, ilalagay natin sa first unsorted list, like class, and then outer, ano yun, outer dash list, and then dito naman sa inner, ilalagay natin yung using class attribute pa rin, ilalagay natin yung inner dash list. Same dito sa baba, sa web technologies, and then class inner list. Now save it and refresh your website. Ayun, na-change na yung bullet form niya. And then also yung margin niya, since naglagay tayo ng margin dito. We put margin dash left 20 px. So ayun, na-move siya konti. Now, you can also put dito, if gusto mo, lower Latin, and then dito sa disk, dito sa outer list, ilalagay mo yung upper Latin, upper dash Latin. Save natin yan, and then let's go to our website, then save it. Ayun, na-change na siya from disk to big letter A, and then from square, I guess, from square naging small letter Latin na siya. So you can modify the list using list style type, and then yung color, font size, and family.
So, good day everyone. I am Del Gabriel C. Santino. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use advanced table with CSS. So first, let's do some brief introduction. What is advanced table? Advanced table is, or should I say table? So well-designed table not only organizes information logically, but also contributes to an improved user experience. So in HTML, uh, we use HTML structure as a foundation of an advanced table lies in the HTML structure. So here is the sample code for the HTML structure for the use of table. So we use the table headed, the table head, the table body, the table row, the table head, then the table data. So these elements provide the basic framework, and each table head and represents as a header, or table data represents the data set. So as for my CSS, so for CSS styling, so we employed CSS to enhance the visual aspect of the table. We use the table container class to ensure a responsive and aesthetically pleasing layout. So let's do some coding on Sublime to demonstrate this these codes. So let's open our IDE, which is the Sublime. So open this first in the Sublime. So here is my sample code. So here is the HTML, and here is the CSS. So I already code the advanced table for HTML. So we implement the table and we use the table head. So in the table row, as for the sample says, we have the header 1, header 2, and header 3. So we can add more header in this row, like implement this table head. No. You can add header 4 if you like. Move it, run it. Yeah, you can add table 4 if you like it. Here I don't use table 4. Let's do that. So you can style it however you want, like here, the header, and you can modify it, like you can use username. Here you can use your, however you like, you can use your email, and implement here your password. Implement however you like. Edit your table. Here you can put my name, John Gabriel. Here, save it, run it. Here, and use your email, however you like, but well, email.com. So you can edit your advanced table however you like. You can use this, oh no, I don't say. You can use this photo however you like. So when you say advanced table, you can use styling. You can use the CSS for styling because we use advanced table here. So here is the CSS. You can edit it however you like. Like you can edit the background color for the background color, or the you can edit the username. Here you can edit the color of the username. Like should I say red? So you can edit it however you like, of your preferences. So that's all for my demonstration for uh, the advanced table. Thank you.
So hi guys, what's up? My name is Cornelius Gersha, and for today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create advanced form using CSS. So before we proceed, I would like to explain to you what is advanced form first. So para na mo idea before to proceed sa coding. So an advanced form in the context of HTML and CSS typically refers to a web form that goes beyond fundamental design and functionality aspects. So when we say form, so just like nakita mo sa screen ng picture, so masyad ka ng pang-fill up doon para may interaction dun sa user, interaction between sa user and sa computer. So just like example right there, yung username, yung address and password. So hi guys, what's up? My name is Cornelius Gersha, and for today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create advanced form using CSS. So before we proceed, I would like to explain to you what is. So karon is akong demonstrate sa inyo ang code. So para sa akong gawin ang example ko yung is username and password. So nilagyan siya para dili ka sa time. So first is type block type HTML. So next is HTML. Next is head. So yung title ko kung sa title na po sa atong website. So form sa itong program. So next is ang style. So itong close. So before that, hindi na ito kung sa dito sa HTML structure na ito. So itong close sa head. So tag body. Close sa itong body. Close sa HTML. So para ma-close, maganda tayo mag-slash na front slash. So form. So diyan natin sulat ang saan na sa itong code. So username password. So label. So username. So mana siya ang value. So username label. Ano siya ang label nito. So import para ma-type pa natin itong username. So para ma-type ka. So may interaction between the user and sa computer. So ID username. So ito username required. So itong i-close natin. Next is para sa password. So label for password. Ang unsay i-label sa password, diba? So import ang password. So for equals password. So type is equal to password. Then ID is equal to password again. So name is equal to password. So required to close. So next is sa button. So ito login. So type submit. So login so name items. Next is design time and CSS. So first is body. So tubok na. So body sa tubok na sa sa code. So confound is sa sensor. Background color natin is integrate. Display, flex, align items, center sa align sa center ng channel. So next is the content, center ng items with image, measure base page, imagine is so next is ang sa form. So biya na to ang design sa form. So asin ko siya. So, password ko. So, mo siya continue. So, ang background color niya is floral white. Ang padding sa kalapad is 20 px. Ang volume review sa container is 20 pixel. So, box shadow. So, may shadow dito sa box. So, yun siya. Kaya pa naman okay sa naman. So, label. Ang sa password ng label. So, mga siya. Plus ko para ikaw niya lang para tawag ng design. Mga niya ng design. So, natin find for upload. So, next is input. So, parang box din sa pamitan sa atong forms. Classify. So, password. So, hindi ko sa mga sa panel sa px. Margin button 16 px. Box sizing. So, may box na. So, may videos. So, may videos ang sa mga sa ng type. So, kung sa mga ano. So, for 6 ko, 6. May videos ang is 4px. So, next is ang button. So, background color sa button is 4C F50. So, it's to be up on. So, meron siya color din. Colors siya F. Ano is 10px. 15px. Ang bago ng ang cursor is pointer. So, video sa amin 4px. Font size is 60px. Size. So, kapag natin mag-share so, hindi po sa so, so, kita nyo dili siya wala na tunga ang label o ang box is sa key. So, lintar sa font is ang width. So, sa kalapad. Ang kalapad po sa font. So, pagkakot yung PS. Ito sa center. So, para ma-center siya. So, ang center na siya. So, ito, type. So, ano siya? So,